Hello everyone. In this video, we introduce SAP Document and Reporting Compliance for Kenya developed by Crimson Technology Partners. As Kenya's revenue authority enforces its mandatory real-time electronic invoicing regime from January 2026, every business expense and income must now be supported by a compliant eTIMS invoice to be deductible. Compliance is no longer optional. Our solution, built directly on the SAP Document and Reporting Compliance Framework, is fully aligned with the KRA's eTIMS requirements and ready to connect via VSCU and OSCU integration. Experience a single, unified SAP solution for your B2B, B2C, and B2G transactions, supporting both SAP ECC and S/4HANA environments. Let's see it in action. Now, let's transition into the system to show you how this works in practice. Welcome to the eDocument cockpit. First, we'll look at the country-specific documents for Kenya within the cockpit. As you can see, several documents are already available here. Before we submit any invoice, all prerequisite master data, including devices, inventory items, and customers, must be fully registered with the KRA. Our Crimson Africa BTP application manages this device initialization and master data synchronization seamlessly. Next, we're going to process a live example by building a sales order. You can see the document has now been created. Both the billing document and the accounting document are generated. A quick refresh of the cockpit shows that the document has now appeared. We can now display the XML and confirm that all fields comply with the technical specifications required by the Kenya Revenue Authority. From here, we can drill straight through the cockpit into the document and check the relationships. You can see the required compliance tag has been applied against the billing document for Kenya. Moving back out, we will now submit this document directly to the KRA eTIMS server via the VSCU OSCU integration. The KRA first confirms receipt of the document, then validates it in two stages: format and signature validation, followed by content validation against the taxpayer's PIN status and applicable tax rates. As with any standard SAP solution, the full audit history is recorded. We can now see the request and the response XML returned by the Kenya Revenue Authority. Clicking on the Status tab, we can confirm that this document has been accepted by the KRA. To double-check everything, we can go into the history and confirm that the submission and response messages were successfully processed. As you can see, this document has now been accepted by the local tax authority and the compliance lifecycle is complete. In summary, Crimson Technology Partners' solution for SAP Document and Reporting Compliance ensures your business stays ahead of the Kenya Revenue Authority's eTIMS mandate. By automating the end-to-end process, from XML generation and master data registration to real-time KRA validation and QR code generation, we eliminate manual complexity and compliance risk. Whether you are on ECC or S/4HANA, you can now manage your Kenyan e-invoicing compliance through a single, unified SAP cockpit, fully consistent with your global operations. Our Crimson Africa BTP application further extends this capability across the region, supporting countries including Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, and Zambia, providing a scalable, future-ready compliance foundation for your African operations. Thank you for watching this demo. For more information, please reach out to our team or visit our website